You're alive and blessed. Welcome to how to trade order block on a bull market, guys. This is how we trade order block and understanding the bull market. Even though it's a bull market, with order block, you cannot really trade it on a demand zone and supply zone, even though you could. So, in the previous video, I gave you guys the long demonstration on bull market and order block. In this video, guys, we're going to give you guys the full rundown on how do we trade a order block on a demand zone and an order block on a supply zone. With that being said, guys, let's get right into it. On the 15-minute time frame, guys, you can really trade order block on a 4-hour time frame. Either time frame is possible once you guys first understand what is an order block and how do you guys really trade an order block. Because, guys, an order block will be located in a supply zone or a demand zone. Vice versa here. You guys see here we had a demand zone here and a supply zone, and you guys always know what is a order block. A order block, first you guys look for a long ass candlestick. Either it's going to be a long ass green candlestick for a bullish or a long ass red candlestick for a bearish, and the candlestick previous there must close below the previous candlestick. So you guys see here, this identified the first criteria to let us guys know this big ass candlestick here is valid. Because why? This previous candlestick closed below. If this candlestick was to close above here, that would let us know, all right, it don't really meet that criteria. But since it closed below it, it meet our criteria. Our second criteria is it must have a gap. Before you guys see the other candlestick here, it leave a fat gap. So that make our second criteria. And the third criteria is it hasn't yet unmitigated. If this candlestick here, guys, if this candlestick here was supposed to come here and close here, it will let us know that price already came back down and already wiped out this order block. But since price have not yet mitigated it, it let us know this order block here is valid. So how do you trade this? You want to wait the price to eventually form more candlestick here, or either it's gonna go up, come back down, come back down, come back down, and wait till the candlestick to come back in this area here, and then you guys will want to enter the trade. Either you guys want to enter the trade here, but guys, before you enter the trade, make sure now the candlestick close inside of this order block here, because if it break past it here, usually where it will go to the demand zone. So how do you really trade this? You want to always put your entry right here, because usually price will come back down, guys. Price will come and enter right here, right? And then it would eventually go back this way. Or if this candlestick here was to break it, that let you guys know it will come back down to where the demand zone, which will be here. So either you guys want to put your entry there at this order block here, or wait for extra confirmation code at the demand zone. Either way, both will be a perfect entry. Either you guys want to enter here, but make sure now price don't close inside it, same as the demand zone. Vice versa now here, what are you guys seeing here on the 1 minute time frame now? I taught you guys now, candlestick close, order block. Even though we have a gap here, guys, you guys see how this came back down and mitigated. That's to let all this pretty much saying, guys, price is not coming back here. Because why? It already did with the previous candlestick. Sellers tried to sell the market here, and buyers eventually came back in and buy. So this let us know this candlestick, this right here, it's a no-go. This, we don't want to trade this. This market is over with. This bullish candlestick is a no-go. Why? Because it has been mitigated. We want to look for no mitigation. See, guys, see here, this was mitigated, and over here, this was not yet mitigated. As you guys see, we have a gap here. So let us know it's a valid order block. Quick rundown now. Order block will be found in a demand zone, vice versa supply zone. And if you guys see here now, vice versa, even though we have a big ass gap here, price already came back down and already destroyed this order block. So that let us know this order block, it's a no-go. With that being said, guys, I hope this video guys find you guys helpful, impactful, and as always, stay blessed, and you know it, mind your business.